Today we're looking into the DOVOH high visibility laser level. It is built for accuracy and designed for rugged environments. This 3D laser offers unparalleled performance for any of your do-it-yourself projects, or if you're a pro for construction, tiling, framing, and a lot more. It's got a super high-powered green laser beams that works during the day and the night, and it features a 360-degree view vertically and horizontally, unlike some of the other competitors. Stick around as we quickly explore some of its features and why you may want to consider it for your do-it-yourself tool belt.
All right, so I'm going to show you how to use this DOVOH H3360G laser. This is a pretty professional laser, but you may want to consider this if you do a lot of projects. And I'm going to show you what I'm doing. So we have this laser right now on a tripod, right? You don't need to have it on a tripod. It does come with its own mount, and the mount is actually magnetic, so that's also pretty cool. You can also hang it off of tight pipes. That's where these little screws on the top are for. It accepts a 5/8 and a 3/4 inch. The tripod is 3/4 inch thread. It's a pretty versatile mount. But that aside, the cool thing is if you have it off center, it's going to start beeping. Let me just demonstrate, because I'm pretty set up here for my drilling, but I'm just going to show you guys that if I tilt it a little bit over, see that? It's beeping. It's beeping because it knows that it's not leveled. So you can kind of avoid even having a level, because it will tell you if you're off center. Now let me show you how far this laser reaches. So what we're doing is we're hanging it shelf, and I made a little bit dot here, right? And then I wanted to essentially just kind of like mark it out. So now you can see that the extension of this laser is quite high. It's going all the way here, it's going there, it's going there, and it's going over there. It goes like 900 feet, which is crazy. And you can see that it's not only going this way, the laser is actually a 360. So it goes all the way around. All the way around. Insanity. Now the cool thing is there's a remote control for this, and then there is a case. You also get green glasses, which are gonna make the visibility of the laser even better, because right now we have the lights on, but let's turn the lights off. See, almost pretty similar, right? So you can do this during daytime and nighttime. There's an option here to get a pulse device, meaning that if you have this pulse device, you can place it somewhere like super far, like 900 feet away. And then when the laser hits the target on the pulse device, it's gonna beep on the pulse device. So that way you're gonna know that like super far, you're actually dead center. That's a super cool device, but that device is actually not included with this. You also have your H and in your V, so that's your horizontal, that's your vertical. So just press this, so you guys can see. There you go, so right there, there's the laser, there's the laser, and then this is all the lasers together, right? And again, it's going all the way up, and then all the way down, and then all the way to the floor. Again, 360, all the way around, all the way around. On the side here, there's a switch on and off. What this does is it locks the pendulum that's inside from swinging around when not in use. That way you're not gonna accidentally like damage it, it's not gonna screw off or any of that. You can see that the battery light just came on as well. So that's your battery reminder. By the way, with the battery, you're gonna get a full 8 hours with all the lasers on. And if you're only using, say, one laser, which you probably won't, you're probably gonna be switching between all of them, you're gonna get about 7 to 8 hours of use. And it can be charged with a power bank, because you get 2 batteries and a charger, and the charger can be plugged into a power bank. Anyways, this is one of the best devices that I've had. I have 3 other lasers, and you know, like I kind of splurged on this, but it was definitely worth it in my opinion. We actually managed to build that fire pit, all those privacy slats, basketball court. We've used this device on all the projects, and trust me, it saves a lot of time, especially if you're not hiring professional contractors, because you're trying to save money and do things yourself. So invest in proper equipment. Don't necessarily hire people to do the entire job yourself. You can just hire people to do just a little bit, and then you can learn, buy the equipment you need, and then you can do more projects and save tons and tons of money. We're talking thousands. Anyways, that's the video. Definitely recommend the laser. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one.